Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making chicken katsu, chicken fillet breaded with panko and deep fried. It is a comfort food and satisfying main dish for dinner. These are the ingredients. For more information, visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we butterfly cut the chicken fillet to make the surface larger and even thickness. We just slice the meat through the middle horizontally and open up to make it thinner, like that. Place a plastic on the surface if you like and flatten even further using a meat mallet like this. If the meat is too big, cut each fillet into half and sprinkle salt and pepper on both sides of the meat to season. Now we are going to bread the meat. Coat the surface with the flour first. We are using all-purpose flour here. And dip it in the egg. Then cover with panko breadcrumb. Heat the frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and deep fry the meat. You can use a deep fryer or use a skillet with a few inches of frying oil like here. And turning once or twice and fry the chicken until the color turns golden brown and the meat floats in the oil, about 5 to 8 minutes. Set the meat on a cooling rack for a minute and cut if you like so that it's easy to pick up using chopsticks. Serve with shredded cabbage on the side. And drizzle tonkatsu sauce if you like, or you can just squeeze lemon juice over the meat. Chicken katsu is comfort food rather than a healthy Japanese food, but everyone loves it in our family. Hope you enjoy it too.
美味しい。